Hello everybody, it is a Vivek Tech Supporter. So, okay class, today I will be teaching you about a problem that I'm just going to bring up. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so I'm going to go on this PDF right here and I'm going to multitask this. This can be done on Apple devices as well. For those of you Android tech illiterates who do not know what multitasking is, it's basically having more than one window or screens uh, on the same monitor or system or whatever you want to call it. Today class I will be teaching you is this not working as a PDF, so I'll zoom in this. So today I'll be teaching you how to solve question number 4 from this worksheet, which is, and the question is, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4 times square root of 3 times x squared plus 5x minus 2 times square root of 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So I will just be teaching you how to factor them and write the zeros because I think that's going to be easier. So first I'm going to begin by writing. I'm just gonna do this. Sorry. Yeah. Hopefully you don't have too much hard work. But basically now, if I just copy this down, 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So first thing we're going to do is we need a to be 1. So we can use the sum and product rule here. You can also use the basic quadratic system, which is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, but that is a I'll teach about that later. So first what you're going to do is we want x square as 1 for a, which is in this case as 4 times square root of 3. So we will just simply multiply this by minus 2 times square root of 3 just to get the product. Okay, so we do 4 times root 3 times minus 2 root 3, and so we multiply the common power with each other, so we get minus 8 times square root of 3 the whole square, which is just equal to minus 8 times 3, which is minus 24. Now we've gotten our product and we already know the sum because we've already multiplied a with z, so there's no need to do anything with b. So now what we want is, we already know that since it's going to be minus 24, we know that if the product is minus 24 and the sum is 5x, it means that 8 minus 3 are going to be the two numbers, because 8 times minus 3 is minus 24 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So that way only I am going to write this as 4 root 3 x square plus 8x. And the only reason I'm doing that is because if you see, 4 is a was a 4 is a factor of 8. So we dive this, and then 3x 3x minus 2 root 3. Now I'm going to take the common terms out here. So we get 4 root, 4 times x root 3x plus 2. And for this one here, for this part, you're going to take minus square root of 3 as common. Okay? Yeah, so you get minus square root of 3, and in return we get square root of 3x plus 2. Therefore, the zeros of this quadratic polynomial are 4x minus square root of 3 and I'm using a comma to dignify and square root of 3x plus 2. And just to verify this, I am going to open Mathway. The reason I have this is for these tech support problems. After I solve them, I just want to be sure. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have this problem and you're going to have 4x minus square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3x x plus 2. Also, I'm using my mouse, so don't mind my amazing aim. But anyway, now we're going to multiply this. We're going to simplify. And as we can see, we get 4 times square root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. I have done this before. I'm your favorite tech support, and before I go, I have to tell you that this problem is extremely useful because it can really help with other problems like this uses roots and multiplication with numbers which are not whole in quadratic polynomial, and that's really useful because that comes in really competitive math exams. But it's fine. I'm just going to leave now. Hope you're happy with the video, and next video will be based on Apple or Windows. You can decide in the comments below. It's your favorite tech support. Thank you. See.